This is my circuit at 0, 1, 0, 0, which should be a 4. This is my circuit at 0, 1, 0, 1, which is 4 to 5. This is my circuit at 0, 1, 1, 0, which is 1 to 6. This is my circuit at 0, 1, 1, 1, which is 1 to 7. This is my circuit at 1, 0, 0, 0, which is 1 to 8. This is my circuit